Hi, welcome to the episode of Spray Shack. Hope you're having an amazing day so far. So this week's featured artist has been put off until next week due to the project not being finished. So for now, we're just going to carry on. Now if you're new to the channel and you enjoy what you see, make sure you smash that like button, ring that bell so you never miss an episode, and of course, subscribe. If you become a Patreon to our channel, we want to give you your very own original painting, painted by me. So consider supporting our channel by clicking that link above or below and becoming a Patreon. We appreciate everything you do for our channel, and we know that we can't do this without you. So without further ado, let's hop right in.
We've been talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. Been told my soul, the more we keep trying, been told my soul, find myself again. We keep holding on for nothing. We both know we pretend we should go, but we keep trying to find a reason why we can't move on. I think we're scared to be alone. We had our times, but now I know that they are gone. Wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul.